Problem, problem, problem. We all are surrounded with problems. Don't you feel so? बारिश नहीं हुई, problem. It rains, it's problem. It doesn't rain, it's a problem. We have children, problem. They don't listen. We don't have children, infertility problem. We have a job, it's a problem. The job sucks, right? The boss is very this thing. And we don't have a job, that's also a problem. So now tell me, my dear friends, what is a problem? Having something and not having something. We are equating everything as problems. Where is the real problem? What is the real problem? The problem is never the problem. Hi, I'm Dr. Poonam. I'm the founder at Inner MBBS. Inner MBBS is the inner doctor within all of us, the true wellness partner. MBBS is mind, body, breath, and soul. Welcome. Today, let me decode with you the meaning of problem. What is a problem? For everything we say this is a problem, that is a problem. But what is this problem coming from? What is the origin of this problem? As I said, problem is never the problem. It's the way we look at. It's the way we look at it. It's the attitude that we have towards a particular situation. In NLP we say, the neuro-linguistic programming, we say, all situations, there are facts and situations in life. Whether these facts and situations are problems or blessings depends on how we take it. Do you agree? If you don't agree, then listen to a story. Listen to my story. So I used to be very busy and I am still very busy. Busy. I think I don't remember any such time in my life where I told I have time, now I can relax. Right from childhood, I had to do the housework, the school work, college work, study, cook, cleaning, washing. I had to do so much of work. So right from my childhood, there was a pattern that I was always busy. And the pattern continues that even now I'm busy. I say I'm busy. But that busyness is not a problem now. What changed? Nothing changed outside. Work is same. In fact, work is more. Who changed? I changed. When I invested in so many courses and I understood what's mindset, what's NLP, what is this? The way we look at things, when it changes, the things we look at changes. I'll repeat, the way we look at things, when we change the way we look at things, what we look at changes. So it's all about attitude. Attitude is everything you have heard. But how to get that attitude? That is the whole science. That is the whole work, the inner work that we have to do. So busy. I always kept on telling myself, I don't have time. But not having time became a blessing for me right from childhood. Because I didn't have time, I did all the work so fast. Everything fast. This is fast, that is fast, whether it's housework, whether it is study work, whether it is doing anything, any damn work. My only mantra was, kaise bhi isko finish karna hai. I have to finish it somehow. So what was the blessing of not having time? I did not look for perfectionism in things because I didn't have the time to make things perfect. So I was blessed with not having time, and so I didn't wait for everything to become perfect. And then only it has to be this way, that way, nothing. जैसे भी है, खत्म करो, शुरू करो, खत्म करो. Start, finish. The problem with the people who have time. Now, people who say that I have lots of time, whether it's a blessing or it's a problem, tell me. When you have lots of time, whether it's a blessing or it's a problem, you will laugh. When you say you have lot of time, it may become a problem for you because you will never finish your task because you have so much time. You are like, no, like this I'll do, this is not good, let me take one. Now, for example, I'm recording this video. I have to finish so many video recordings. So I'm like, time nahi, fatafat kaise bhi karke finish karo. No retakes. I'm not joking. There are really no retakes in many of my videos, almost all videos. Why? Because time nahi hai. So is it a blessing or a problem? When you don't have time, you don't look for perfectionism. I fumble sometimes, I do mistake, and I'm a stammering person, like just the way I fumbled now. Doesn't matter. Just move on. Just move on. When you try to make the things perfect, things never become. You never get started. It's very important to start. And why people are stuck in their goals and to-do list and ye karna hai, wo karna hai, they're not able to do. Why? They're not starting. Why they're not starting? Because everything should be perfect. And why everything should be perfect? Because they have a lot of time to make it perfect. I don't have that time to make things perfect. I start and finish whatever the way it is supposed to be. I am not looking for aise hona chahiye, waise hona chahiye. It's okay. It's absolutely fine. Now, this example of mine that I didn't have time, I turned this into a blessing. So I am able to do so many things quick, fast. So similarly in our lives, whatever we say it's a problem, we can convert into a blessing. It's the way we look at it. Now, for example, lot of people have health challenges. They have some diseases. They are taking treatment, medicines, some stronger treatment, some stronger medicines. Now, what is the blessing when you have a disease? You will say, what, madam, what you are telling? I know what I am telling. When you have a disease, what's the blessing in that? Just think about it. Pause. You can pause the video and think. What is the blessing when you have a disease? See, my dear friends, when you have a disease, that's an awakening call. Your body is speaking to you that, look, I need attention. If there is no disease, if you do not have any problem, you probably won't even look and listen to your body. Your body is speaking, screaming, I need attention, I need healthy food, I need healthy thinking, I need healthy life practices, I am missing. Your body is screaming to you. It's high time. So when you have diseases, it's a blessing. You get a wake-up call that, look, enough of enough, and you get back on track. And even if we do not learn the lesson from our problems, then it becomes a bigger problem. So there are two ways of going about it. When you have the so-called problem, I won't call it as a problem, but if you have so-called problems in your life, you can have two things. You break down or you break through. Which category you are? Choose kar lo apna category. Apna category choose karo. You have to choose your category. Are you this or this? Whether you choose to deep down, drown down, break down, or you choose to rise like a phoenix, break through. Break down to break through. So that's the power of challenges and problems in our life. It's we who decide whether the problem is a problem or it's a blessing. My dear friends, problems are coming to make you, not to break you. Nothing is coming to make you. Everything is coming to make you. They are not coming to break you. So if you have the positive, powerful mindset and you embrace the problems, you will rise like a phoenix. You will rise and shine in your life. So I wish you all the best in all your problems. And how was the video? Please like, share and subscribe and comment below. How will you change your attitude towards your problems? Thank you.